Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS is a powerful tool for data integration and analytics. To understand its value, let's start with the basics. Azure Data Lake Storage, or ADLS, is a cloud-based repository for storing large amounts of raw, unprocessed data. Azure Synapse, on the other hand, is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. The key concept here is ingestion, which refers to the process of loading data into a system for analysis. In this case, we're ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. This process enables you to unlock insights from your raw data and make informed decisions. So why use Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS? The answer lies in its benefits. Firstly, it allows for scalable and performant data integration, which means you can handle large volumes of data without compromising on speed. Secondly, it provides a unified view of your data, making it easier to analyze and gain insights. To get started, you'll need to create an Azure Synapse workspace and link it to your ADLS account. Once connected, you can use the Copy Data tool to ingest data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. This tool provides a simple and intuitive interface for configuring data ingestion pipelines. A practical example of this is ingesting log data from ADLS into Azure Synapse for analysis. By using Azure Synapse Ingestion, you can create a pipeline that loads log data into a dedicated SQL pool for analysis. From there, you can use SQL queries to analyze the data and gain insights into user behavior and system performance. Best practices for Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS include monitoring data ingestion pipelines for performance and data quality issues. You should also implement data validation and data cleansing to ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS is a powerful tool for data integration and analytics. By understanding its benefits and following best practices, you can unlock insights from your raw data and make informed decisions. With its scalable and performant data integration capabilities, Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS is an essential tool for any organization looking to get the most out of their data.